Okay guys, so my room has been a mess recently. It is actually so gross right now. I don't want to be in here. I don't want to work in here. Like, the only thing I do is I get ready in here and then I go to sleep. I have clothes all over the floor, a lot of clean laundry I need to put away. I need to make my bed. I need to wipe down all the surfaces. Like, I need to throw a bunch of stuff away. It's just so gross. I feel like my room always gets to this point after I just put off cleaning for a long time, because I'm the type of person to start cleaning up my room and then like halfway through I'm like over it. I'm so tired and I don't want to finish anymore. But today we're just gonna do a complete room cleaning. Clean everything out, get it perfect, so then I could start over, refresh on the room. It's always nice to just have a fresh start when you clean out your room completely. So that's what I'm gonna do in this video. It makes me more productive, honestly, too, because I can actually work in here and get things done without feeling overwhelmed because all my stuff is everywhere. So I really hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. So first I'm going to start at my bed. I need to clear all this stuff off, and I actually just washed this blanket yesterday, so I just need to change the pillowcases and the sheets and make my bed. I like starting with my bed first because it's the biggest thing in my room and it takes up the most space, and once my bed is made it feels like my room has made a lot of progress, so that's what I'm going to start with. So I'm taking all this off and I'll get back to it after my bed's made. I literally just did laundry yesterday, so I'm going to put on this pink one because I just washed it. I hate putting this one on. Okay, so I'm going to layer my blankets. This fuzzy blanket. I sleep with a lot of fuzzy blankets. And then we'll put the white one. Let's do this tan fuzzy one. That looks so much better. My bed is made and it is so clean. This is what the rest of my room is looking like right now. It was definitely a good idea to start with making my bed. So over here, this is where I get ready in the morning in this mirror. So I have all my makeup just sitting on the floor right here. So I'm just gonna pick all this stuff up and put it in my drawer. I keep it in this drawer right here so that I could just get ready and have my makeup right here, get ready in this mirror. I really wanna organize these drawers. A lot of it has my makeup, and then I have like bikinis, random hair stuff. So if you guys want to see like a complete declutter video, I will be happy to do that because I really need to go through all this stuff. But for now, I'm just gonna put it all back in my drawers. So I got this whole area cleaned off. I'm gonna sweep the floor too when I'm done. But next we have all of this. So I have so many clothes. Most of these are honestly all clean. I just did my laundry and I kind of just made this huge pile. I need to go through all of this and organize them into hang on my clothing rack, put in my dresser, and put in my closet. So I'm gonna start going through all this stuff right now. I have so much to go through. I feel like this is going to be the longest part of this room cleaning. I'm going to watch Pretty Little Liars. I'm on the end of season 6 and I'm going to clean. So next I'm going to clear off my clothing rack. It is so messy, so I'm going to start by just taking all this stuff. I need to just hang all this stuff back up. And I need to hang up all the clothes that I was just clearing off the floor. I need to hang all this stuff up. Ooh, the heater's on. It was so cold today. I'm hanging up this shirt and I've worn it a bunch of times already. Also, this jacket is one of my faves. Okay, so I finished my clothing rack. It looks so much better. I have a lot of clothes on here. And then I organized my dresser too. I cleared all of those clothes off the floor, so there's a lot of space now. Next, I'm gonna clear off the top of my dresser. It's so messy right here. This is the part of my room where I just set everything down when I need to just put it somewhere. So it's always a mess. But I'm gonna try to clean this up as much as I can. I really need to get some more like organizers to organize all my stuff because I feel like everything just piles up. Okay, so the top of my dresser is done. I feel like there's a lot of stuff on it, but I don't have any other place for it, so it's all just gonna stay on here. It looks a little more organized and like set up. For now, I kind of just want to set it out like this. This area is cute. I have like a lot of perfumes, lotions, all of that. And then I have my candles on either side of this tray that has random stuff. I just don't know where to put any of this. Okay, so I also need to clear under my clothing rack. This is just where I keep all my shoes, so I'm gonna organize them so they look better. Okay, that looks better. Alright, so next I'm moving to this side of my room. I need to clean this mirror off, and I also need to clear off the top of my Alex 9 drawers. I need to clean off this mirror. So disgusting. Clean my mirror often enough. Walk into the place, dispatch you from a ways. My heart, it started. Okay, I finished cleaning off my mirror. It looks so much better. I need to clean my mirror way more. That looks good. I'm also gonna plug in my lights. Perfect! Next, I want to clean off the top of my Alex 9 drawers. This part honestly doesn't get too bad. I try to take care of this area of my room because this is my favorite part of my room. But it does still get pretty messy, so I'm gonna clean this off. On here, I keep my crystals, makeup brushes for when I get ready right here, and some candles, jewelry, just a bunch of stuff. Crowd across the way, fire was on your face, and then from the 80s, someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that Okay, so this looks so much cuter. I even turned on my salt lamp. I love this part of my room. I think it's just so pretty and so cute. The colors look so good, especially with my lights right here. I have my crystals set up on this little shelf. I got this from Target a while ago in like the dollar section. I just thought it would be so cute to hold my crystals. I also have some in that dish that I thrifted. I keep my jewelry right here in the front. And then I have my incense, candles, and random stuff just everywhere. And it looks so much better when it's clean. Moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. Alright, my room is almost done. It's looking so good. I don't have too much more that I want to clean, but it honestly has made such a difference just taking the time to clean everything up, especially just having my floor clean so I can actually move around and walk in here. So I moved some of my art stuff to this little corner right here. I just don't really have a good place to put it yet. I use that all for school, so I kind of just need to have it out. I'm going to organize the stuff on my mini fridge real quick. This whole area of my room is such a jumbled mess. I kind of just stick stuff in that rolling cart. This part though, I'm just gonna organize this real quick. I just have a couple random things and snacks, so I'm just gonna clear this off. Okay, my room came out so good. I am so happy with the progress that I made tonight. My floor is clean, my clothing rack is all organized, even my shoes underneath look so much better. This took me literally all night, but hey, it came out so good. Everything looks so much better, cleaned up. My room has a lot of stuff in it, so every time I clean up, it's still slightly cluttered, which I kind of like. Like, I like the busyness, as you could tell. In my room, I like a lot going on. There's a lot of stuff everywhere that I just don't really have a place for. I have under the bed storage, I have stuff in my closet. I am gonna be doing a closet clean out video to actually get rid of a lot of clothes. That's a big problem I have, is just trying to find places to put my clothes all the time. But I honestly think my room looks so good. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope this motivated you guys to also clean your rooms. That's always what I need, is like when I start seeing people upload on YouTube cleaning my room videos, I'm like, okay, like that's a sign. I should totally clean my room too. It honestly doesn't take too long. Put on a show and clean your room, fold your laundry, or put on some music. It'll go by way faster. Here is an overview of the after part of my room. Looks so good. I swept the floors, I cleaned off my dresser, I made my bed. Just everything looks so nice. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying until the end. Definitely follow my other social medias to see my life outside of YouTube. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.